You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. There are indeed different pronunciations, for 3 in fact, if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English and more pronunciation. Stay tuned, I've got many more videos to suggest to you to learn more. 2 different pronunciations for British English alone. Garage. The French pronunciation is garage, okay? Garage. Now, in the UK, it's sometimes said also as garage. The American pronunciation is the most commonly found as garage. Garage is how the Americans say it. How do you say it, and where are you from? Let us know. Let us know in the comments so we can learn more from you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.